NMDC recruitment for the post of junior officer trainee. NMDC is a Navaratna public sector enterprise. Is recruiting for the post of junior officer trainee in different streams, that is in stream of mining, mechanical, electrical, civil, for different posts. And for mining, the number of vacancies are 28, and for mechanical junior officer mechanical trainee there are 17 posts. For junior officer electrical trainee there are 13 posts, and for junior officer civil there are 5 posts. So this is an excellent opportunity. This is a permanent job, and the requisite qualification here is a bachelor degree, and if you have diploma there is experience needed. So if you haven't seen my earlier videos, I am giving it, that is the job updates which I have did earlier. So I am giving it from the I icon right now, which is displayed on the screen, or from the description, or from the playlist latest job updates, you can see it. So eligibility criteria to apply for this is bachelor degree, that is a degree in mining engineer for mining discipline. And if you have a diploma, there is experience needed for diploma holder, that is minimum of 5 years post qualification experience in relevant discipline. And same is as well for different disciplines. Mechanical discipline, degree in mechanical engineering from recognized university, and if you have a diploma there should be 5 years experience in maintenance, repairs, shovels. So this is the experience required if you have a diploma, in case of a diploma holder. So this is regarding the mechanical discipline. And in electrical discipline, 3 years diploma in electrical engineering, or a degree in electrical and electrical and electronics engineering from recognized university. And experience required, if you have, in case of diploma, there is experience required of 5 years experience, post qualification experience required. And for civil, same is the case. Civil engineering degree is required from recognized university, or if you have diploma there is 5 years of post qualification experience required. The maximum age limit to apply for this is 32 years, and there is also relaxation for 5 years for SC/ST and 3 years for OBC, that is non-criminal layer. And for PWD, and also for departmental candidates, up to 15 years relaxation is given. And the criteria is stipend. Those who qualify, that is selected as a junior officer trainee, the stipend for the first 1 year, that is 12 months, will be paid 37,000, and remaining 6 months 38,000. And after completion of training, the pay scale will be around 37,000 to 1,30,000. So this is the pay scale after completion of training. So it is excellent post. So reservation criteria, the number of vacancies in different categories for different streams is this much. So put together there are 63 posts, and for different categories, this is the classification of different categorical vacancies in different disciplines, that is mining, mechanical, electrical, civil. So application is more of online application. You need to go to official site, and you need to go to careers page. You need to apply online. After applying online, the last date to apply will be the start date will be from 3rd of March 2021, and the last date is 23rd of March 2021. After applying online, you need to pay a fees. The amount of 250 should be paid as a fees for OBC and OC candidates, that is general stream candidates, and SC/ST, PWD, ex-servicemen categories are exempted from fee payment. So after applying online, you need to send the requisite documents to this address, that is the candidates are required to download the hard copy of a fill-in application form and send the same by mentioning to the registration number on the online application. And also employment notification, you need to mention in that envelope and name of the post and also discipline on the top of the envelope, affixing the recent passport size along with the copies of all the certificates and testimonials, that is experience if any, to be sent by post to this address, that is post box number 1352. This is the address you need to send it. After applying online, you need to download the application form. You need to send to this address with all supporting documents before 7/4/2021. So this is the deadline to receive the hard copy of your application form. So this is how you need to apply for this post in different disciplines, and you need to send the hard copy of application form, and the mode of selection will be based on only online test, that is computer based test, which will be comprising of 100 marks, and also there will be supervisory skill test, that is just qualifying in nature. Total marks are 100 marks, so major criteria is online based test, that is computer based test, which will be of 100 marks, and after that you qualify, there is a supervisory skill test which will be qualifying in nature. So this is regarding the application form, and also how to apply, and also vacancies of NMDC junior officer trainee in different streams: mechanical, mining, electrical, civil. So if you have any doubts, please do comment, and please do check the latest job updates playlist, so that you will be benefited from different job updates. Thank you. Have a great day.